welcome back to Sign Language Worship. This week, we're learning how to sign Good Grace by Hillsong United. So I first heard this song back in January. We had taken a family trip to Florida and decided that we wanted to visit a really big church while we were in Orlando. So at the time, we went to a small country church. And we just wanted to see what a really big church was like. So we went to Northland and we had a good laugh about a church being called Northland down in Florida because to us it seemed really south. We went to Northland Church and they sang this song and our family just loved it. Like the whole drive home, we were like, again. So today we're going to learn how to sign it. So this song is a little more complicated in that it's actually a little tricky to identify what's the chorus and what's the verse and what's the bridge. So we're going to do the tutorial a little different, and I'm going to do everything for the step-by-step signs in one video, okay? And then in the second video, we're going to do a walkthrough of the whole song. And then the third video, we are going to sign with the music. So this is something new for us. You'll have to let me know if you prefer it in less videos or more videos. But let's get started. Remember, of course, that I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below the video in the description, there is a link to print out the lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing. Okay, so the song that we're signing in 3 days is actually the live version because I love it so much, but it is a 6-minute version. If you get the radio version of the song, it's only 4 minutes. There's less repeating, but it's all the same words. So I'm going to run through the 4-minute version, but you'll have everything you need for the 6-minute version. So it starts with people come together. So people, okay, outline of different people. So people, come, index finger out from your body, coming into your body, together, 2 fists going around. So people, come together. And then this next line says strange as neighbors, and we're going to say strangers and friends. So for strange, you have a C here and you kind of bend it. Strange person. Okay, strange person. Believe it or not, there isn't a sign for stranger as an unknown person. There's only a stranger as a strange person, like a weird or odd person. So stranger and then friend, kind of hook your 2 index fingers together. Okay, so that C that bends, outline of a person, and friend. Okay, so stranger and friend. Our blood is one. Our. So kind of a cupped B hand from shoulder to shoulder. Our blood. Your non-dominant hand is like this, and then you're running the blood. Okay? Our blood. And then you can say is one, or you can say our blood together. Okay? It's up to you. So our blood is one, or our blood together. And then children. It's like you're tapping the heads of shorter people. Children of generations. So generations, you kind of have your hands rolling over one another. Generations. Look at that watch tan, guys. Whew, I've gotten some sun this summer. Okay. Of generations. And then of every nation. So every, your fist kind of with your thumb up there. Every. Rubbing your thumb against your non-dominant fingers. Every nation, making an N, going around, and then tapping on your non-dominant hand. Every nation of kingdom come. That's a K. You almost do half the sign for king, and you kind of show over a land. Okay? Kingdom come. Let's go from the top. Okay, that was a big chunk, big chunk. We can do hard things, guys. People come together, strange, and as neighbors, our blood is one. Children of generations, of every nation, of kingdom come. And we're going to move on. Don't let your heart be troubled. Okay, so pretty positive. This is the chorus, but like I said, I'm having some trouble with this song identifying the different sections. So don't. Okay, start with an X and nope, that's not happening. Don't let. Hands coming out from your hips. Don't let your heart, outline your heart be troubled. Okay, now facial expressions is important here. Okay, oh, sad, troubled. So your hands are kind of out at a diagonal like this, and then it's coming down on you. Okay, troubled. Don't let your heart be troubled. Hold your head up high. We're going to say lift. So like you're lifting something. Outline your head and then making an H go higher. Okay. So hold your head up high. Hold your head up high. And then don't fear, no evil. Don't fear. Okay. So here, kind of starting your shoulders coming in. Fear. Remember, facial expression is important there. Don't fear evil. So for evil, like this, evil. Don't fear evil. And then fix your eyes. We're going to say, look, right? Fix your eyes on this one truth. So you have your index finger and your middle finger going across your non-dominant hand. Fix your eyes on this one truth. Let's try this section from the top, starting with don't let your heart be troubled. Don't let your heart be troubled. Hold your head up high. Don't fear evil. Fix your eyes on this one truth. And God is madly in love with you. Did you know that? God loves you. Okay, so a bead on the middle of your face. God, okay, God loves you. God loves you. God is madly in love with you. Take courage. So we're going to sign B. So that's the letter B coming out from your chin. B. So take courage, be strong. And then, so take courage. Hold on. Okay, hold on, like you're hanging on to a rope there. Hold on. And then it says be strong. So actually take courage and be strong would be the signed the same way. So I'm just not going to sign it a second time. I'm just going to do be strong, hold on, take courage, hold on, be strong, and then remember where your help comes from. So here, touching your thumb to your forehead, coming down and touching your other thumb. Remember. Okay, tapping it twice. Remember. And then where our help comes from, that God, a bead down the middle of our face, that God helps you. Okay, or God helps us. Let's try that section, starting with don't let your heart be troubled from the top. Okay, don't get discouraged, guys. Just because I'm shooting this in one video doesn't mean you have to do it all in one day. You can break it up. Just remember the time where you were in the video, then you can come back another day. That's okay too. There's no right or wrong speed in which you need to learn this song. So don't let your heart be troubled. Hold your head up high. Don't fear no evil. Fix your eyes on this one truth. God is madly in love with you. Okay, so take courage, hold on, be strong. Remember where your help comes from. Okay, so either God helps me or God helps us. Who wants to try it from the top? Because we can do tough stuff. Let's do it from the top. Okay, guys? People come together, strange and as neighbors. Our blood is one. Children of generations, of every nation, of kingdom come. Okay, and now don't let your heart be troubled. Hold your head up high. Don't fear no evil. Keep your eyes on this one truth. God is madly in love with you. Okay? So take courage, hold on, be strong. Remember where our help comes from. God helps us. Okay? And then there's some cool O's in there. You can have some fun signing O's and keeping the beat. You can do that too. Okay, now we're moving on to a bit of an easier section. Jesus, our redemption, our salvation is in his blood. So Jesus, nail-pierced hands. Okay. Jesus, our, so that bent B hand, our redemption, making ours. Okay. Our redemption. And then our salvation, S's. Okay. Our salvation is in his blood. Okay, we already learned that, blood. And then it says Jesus, light, feel that bright light of heaven, rolling our hands up to heaven, okay? Of light of heaven, friend, forever. So hooking those index fingers, and then forever index finger goes around. We're gonna switch to a Y hand and we're gonna push it out, okay? Forever, his kingdom, K, and then over the land, his kingdom come. Remember, this is coming from heaven down to earth, so you want to be directional on that. Okay, let's try just that section, starting at Jesus, our redemption. Jesus, our redemption, our salvation is in his blood. Jesus, light of heaven, friend forever, his kingdom come. Okay? And now the really fun part of this song. Okay? I'm pretty positive this part is the bridge, and I'm absolutely positive this part of the song is amazing. It's definitely my favorite part. So wing wide, okay? And you can count on the fact you're not going to see the edges of my hands because I just really love to swing wide, okay? So swing wide, all you heavens. So we're saying swing wide and then heaven rolling up, right? Heaven. Let the praise go up. Let, so coming out from our hips, let praise, clapping our hands, go up. And really, we can just praise towards heaven. We don't need to point up. Praise go up, and then as the walls. So you're going to show like a wall, okay? Like your stuff, almost like you're miming, okay? The wall come down, right? So swing wide, all you heavens. Let the praise go up as the walls come down. And then all creation, we're going to do all the world. So taking your dominant hand and sweeping around your non-dominant hand. All the world, all creation, everything that with breath. Every, so we learn that with every nation, everything with two fists together, and then breath. I like that. You get to show your lungs going in and out, okay? Everything with breath, repeat. Okay, so hand kind of bent like this, going into your non-dominant hand. Repeat the sound. Okay, there's something there. And then all his children. So his children, right? We learned that already. His children. Now this part is really fast. Clean hands, pure hearts, good grace, good God. Okay, so clean, taking your dominant hand, brushing it over your non-dominant hand. Clean hands, outline your hands. So we're going to sign clean hands. We're not going to sign pure again. We're just going to go straight to heart. Okay, so clean hands, pure hearts, good grace. So good coming out from your chin, Good grace is a G coming down from heaven, but it's so fast, you got to do it real close to your body, okay? Good grace, good God. And then his name is Jesus. Now this last part is super fast. I am regularly behind the music here, so don't feel bad when you're behind the music. It's fast. It's fast. Let's try this bridge all together, okay, guys? Swing wide, all you heavens. Let the praise go up as the walls come down. All creation, everything with breath, repeat the sound. All his children, clean hands, pure hearts, good grace, good God. His name is Jesus. Okay, one last time, and then we're gonna call it quits for today, okay, guys? So swing wide, all you heavens. Let the praise go up as the walls come down. All creation, everything with breath, repeat the sound. All his children, clean hands, pure hearts, good grace, good God. His name is Jesus. And that's everything you need for this song. So practice this video, take a few days, take however long you need. And when you're ready, I'll see you in the next video when we walk through this song from top to bottom. I hope wherever you are that you are healthy and that you are well, and that I'll see you soon. Bye. I pray that the Lord bless you and keep you. I pray that his face would shine upon you and that he would be gracious to you. I pray a blessed day for you, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye.